Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I'm Eric, and today I'm going to be talking to you about this tiny little gadget that packs a pretty powerful punch. This is the Yaslop Bluetooth magnetic speaker. Yeah, this is a tiny little speaker that has magnets built into the back of it, and it's significant because these magnets can be used to attach the speaker to anything that's magnetic, metal, microwave, if you want to listen to music while you're maybe cooking, or outside on the garage if you're sitting outside in front of your garage with a campfire or something. But also these magnets are in a circle, and yes, it is MagSafe as well as PixelSnap compatible. So if you have an iPhone with MagSafe, or if you have a new Pixel phone with the PixelSnap, these magnets will snap right onto the back of the phone, so that it kind of serves as a dual purpose as a stand. So you can snap it on the back of your phone, play music from your phone to this Bluetooth speaker, and also prop your phone up, which is super cool. Now, this is a tiny little speaker, but it's going to be much louder and more powerful than the speakers in most phones out there. If you have a top-of-the-line flagship like the Pro Max, 16 Pro Max iPhone, which is what I have, or the Google Pixel 10 XL, those have some of the best speakers on a phone, and those are probably comparable to this, but just barely. But then most other phones are going to have speakers that aren't even near as loud as this. And this is a tiny speaker. It's not going to have like super deep bass, or it's not going to blow you out of the water. That's not the point of it. The point of it is to have a tiny little speaker that's easy to throw in your pocket or your purse or something, take with you wherever you go, and just it's easy to deal with. You don't have a big, Bluetooth speaker you have to deal with. It's just a tiny little thing. It'll just fit in your pocket, and it will give you better sound than what you're going to get out of your phone alone. Now, it's easy. You just power it on. You connect to it through Bluetooth. It's the G200, and you'll find that in your Bluetooth. You connect to it, and then you're good to go. The power button is here, but that button also can be used to play and pause. So if you don't have it attached to your phone, if you have it sitting somewhere else and you need to play or pause, you can use that button to do that, which is really cool. And if you buy multiple of these, you can connect them together to have stereo sound or have sound around in different places, which is just a really cool bonus feature. But I know you probably want to kind of hear what it sounds like. So let's jump over to some demo footage where you can hear the sound coming from this in comparison to, say, my voice speaking, just through the microphone on the camera, built-in mic on the camera, just so you can kind of sort of get an idea of what it sounds like. So you can see I'm not filming with a microphone right now. I'm just using the built-in mic on the camera, which is about, I don't know, maybe 5 feet away from where I am, and I've got the little speaker sitting in the center here because this is a good scenario. You might use it like this, and I'm gonna play some music on it. This is at the max level. I feel like I have to yell for someone to hear me over it. A couple of different types of music, kind of hear how it sounds. And you can turn it down lower, obviously. You're just using the Bluetooth volume control on your phone in order to increase or lower the volume. So now I have it attached to the back of my phone and playing it that way, and you can kind of see what that's like. Again, I have it at the max volume level. It can go lower, of course, but this is the max level, which is pretty loud compared to my voice. So you can see really great sound from such a small, it's tiny, small little tiny speaker, but much better sound than you're going to get out of your phone speakers. And the fact that it's tiny and portable, easy to take with you wherever you go, and that those magnets allow you to put it anywhere, but then also the fact that it is MagSafe and PixelSnap compatible. So whether you're using it with a MagSafe iPhone or a PixelSnap Pixel phone, you can do that. They also include a magnetic ring sticker that you can use you can attach that to any case you have, to make it be able to use it with a phone that doesn't have MagSafe or PixelSnap built into it. So they do offer that as well. Excellent little product by YesLip. If you're looking for just a little tiny Bluetooth speaker, or again, multiple speakers to be able to throw up anywhere where there's metal and attach it, or just attach to the back of your phone to get great sound or better sound than you would ever get out of your phone itself, then this tiny little speaker from YesLip is definitely a speaker that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist, so you can keep up with future product reviews. If you have any questions about the speaker, just post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.